Hi guys, I'm back. I made my link to Steam, and if we click on this thing up here, we have all kinds of information. So it looks, yeah, like this. I mean, have a look. You know by now, I'm not a gamer, so don't judge me by the collection of the things I have. This is actually one of my kids' things, actually quite funny. Okay, right. You choose the games you like. Now, this is installed. This was the smallest one. I wanted to install Dirt Rally, but it was like 30 or 40 gigabytes. Oh my god. Never mind, I thought, because just the test, right? And this one was for 10 gigabytes or 11 gigabytes already. Here's a button for run. Doesn't really show very good. But I installed Intel Vulkan shaders, lib32 and the other one as well. So I wonder, just testing, like I don't know what I'm doing, right? It's just me playing, testing, not knowing what gaming is. But common sense, right? If you have AMD, you install the AMD stuff. If you have Intel stuff, you install Intel stuff. If you have an NVIDIA, you install NVIDIA stuff. So far so good. It looks like everything is working. You want an automatic checking updates, you allow. It will be soon reinstalled anyway, this SSD. Always about installing, reinstalling. I am level 0, which means the top level, right? There is 30 and then 29, and you climb upwards to level 0, so that's the highest you can get. Joking, of course. What else? How do I start? Voila, I'm lost again. Here, continue game. It's so silly. I'm always having issues. Simple automatic. Left arrow or A. This up arrow, left arrow, down arrow. That's good for me. I'll use the arrows. Content change detected. Wow, la, 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 la. Game change detected. Avoid game saveability. Shop market. Just wanna drive. I'm lost. That's my progress. Pick your next job. I don't want. The button. I found the job. Yeah, I guess. I've been to Germany the other day. To Berlin. Was nice and fun. How about Innsbruck? Can I überhaupt go to Innsbruck? Es geht ja nicht. Ja, es funktioniert ja klar nicht. Oh, sheep wool, plums, red. Okay, so these are jobs I should do. Is it? Okay, fine. Take the job. There's more jobs, I think. No. Nothing to Innsbruck. I guess not. Losing so much time. I choose by color. Voila, take the job. It's not real life, right? I'm gonna choose the job by color. No, maybe not. How was this again? Okay, actually, whoops. Is that my GPS there? It says I should go straight ahead. Probably not. Let's look around. I guess behind me. Okay. I'm doing this oh so wrong. No, back up. There's a little sound when you back up, like the real thing. I don't know if you hear it, and the headphones are pretty near the mic or the webcam, because this is just a test PC. It's another expensive mic. Let's see if this is working. Voila, I'm so lost again. Eh? Where should I go to? I'm driving probably against other things, crashing into things. But there you go. I'm so lost. What to do? Oh, Eric, you are pathetic. Yes, you are. I know. Where's the exit door? Ah, there's the exit door. I think I saw it. But it's so slow in reacting. I think I broke my container, the back end. My God, I saw the road. That's my problem with every single game. And I took the wrong. Oh, I didn't follow my GPS there. But the GPS is turning me around. Let's crash a little bit. I don't think I'm supposed to do that. Oh, look at the car in my left view mirror thingy. I can actually see him stuck there. Don't think I can move again. Super shift R or something, I don't know, reset or something. Is there a reset button? Parking brake engaged, that's space, okay. F1. Holes, toggle side mirrors, toggle route, divisor modes, okay. F2. And F3. Cool, got it. But I'm stuck in the game. And that's why I don't like gaming. Simple as that. Don't like gaming because I'm not good at it. And the car is still underneath my machine, so I can't move. I really need to restart. Job market, world map, convoys, quick travel. To access the quick travel, you need to buy your first truck. No, I'm not gonna buy my first truck. Vehicle browser, photo studio. Give me something. Anything. Go. You got a delivery pending. You must finish it before starting another one. Abandon. Yes. I hope I've abandoned the old one. Ooh, there's a different map here. I think I took the same one, right? Ah! Now at least I know where the door is. Oh no, that's different. Looks different. So, allez, ice. Don't deceive me. I should go straight on. I think the way out of here is there. And then to the left. Up. You may hear a little bit of the sound. I don't know. I'm thinking about one thing. Resolution. Can't this be any better? Options. Video settings, graphics, full screen, brightness, default refresh, advanced settings. Aha. Ultra. Settings, yes. Is it now applied? Seems to be. Drive. This is just the Intel motherboard graphical card. I never buy NVIDIA AMD cards. I put my money in my CPU and my memory and stick to Intel. Whoop, it's red, but I'm colorblind, so that's okay. I can keep driving. Oh, that's not the way to go, is it? All right. The world actually ends here with all these X's. How about that? If that would be real life, ooh, I think I crashed into something. Go. Ah, it's here. I was almost going against the traffic there. Almost. I'm a hazard on the road. (34 degrees Celsius), that's warm. 35. Probably my oil, I suppose. Then it's not warm at all. It's a big truck there. A Caterpillar. The direction is, can I read it? Dresden. Wir fahren zu Dresden. (54 degrees already. Yeah, everybody's different, right? There are people who play hours on such a thing. Good for them, if that's fun for them. Me? I've seen it. So there you go, guys. The idea is just to show you, yes, I've made progress. To show you that this same thing works, right, on ArcoLinux, and we have this new thing called Gamehub, which is down here, which looks like this, looks like that. You can actually click it. It's not installed, so I suppose, I don't think this is a big one. If I click this, double click this, this happens. Create. This is not long, some small game. So clicking is working. It will install the game. Here it is, busy. So that's cool. Never explored the others. Let's put my headphone far away from my screen. Maybe you've heard a little music in the back end there. So this, I should check out what this is. Goch.com and Humble Bundle. Should have a look at that as well. And HO, whatever it is. HO has a link. And that's this. Better make an account and see what's possible for Linux games. I wonder. I'm gonna play a little longer with this, make an account on both of them, and then realize again that gaming is nothing for me. Alright, have fun. Cheers.